I'm here on campus at Utah Valley University, standing with students who are peacefully speaking out against an ICE recruitment event happening right now. Now, UVU's motto is everyone belongs here. But when the university hosts a recruitment event for an agency associated with family separation, detention abuses, and fear in immigrant communities, it sends a very different message that some people belong here more than others. Our universities should be places of learning and safety, not places where students fear being seen, speaking up, or simply existing. And this recruitment event, by allowing ICE to be here, is an endorsement. Students are asking their school to live up to its own values. As a non student, I'm here to listen, to support the student leadership, and to say clearly every student deserves dignity, safety, and the freedom to learn without fear.